everyone. My name is Dr. Ahmed Solyman. I am the program leader for the MSc Electrical and Electronic Engineering. We will speak today about the post programs, the Electrical and Electronic Engineering Masters and Electrical Power Engineering Masters in Glasgow, Caledonian University. So I will speak first about Glasgow Caledonian University. Glasgow Caledonian University is one of the largest universities in Scotland. We got almost 20,000 students from over 100 different countries enrolled and is considered one of the top 10 modern universities in UK. Our university structure, we got three schools: School for Business and Society, and School of Computing, Engineering and the Built Environment, and Health and Life Sciences. Our department is Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and our two programs is lying under Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. So our school of computing, engineering and built environment focus on engineering, applied science, digital technologies. We are highly directed towards industry, resilience, and our academic staff are engaged in collaborative research with industry. We got the highest research excellence rating amongst modern universities in Scotland, and we are very high with very high satisfaction levels from NSS. Studying the masters for electrical power engineering or electrical and electronic at GUC, this will give you excellent links with professional bodies, alignment of courses to industry need, and majority of academic staff have significant industrial experience informing what we teach, exposing students to current best engineering practices. We got more than 30 specialist laboratories, which will help you a lot during your learning, during your project, and building up your skills to land on a very good job. We are shifting the balance between traditional lecture and active learning using e-learning. It's a project and problem-based learning, and we are focusing in employability. You can find part-time and full-time students are taught together in our university, and we got open door policy applied throughout. Take care for international students. You can only apply for a full-time study. You can't apply for part-time study. If you are joining the electrical power program, you will study 8 modules, and you need to finish one project in a whole trimester. So you need 2 trimesters with 8 modules and one project at the end in a whole trimester. So you will study for 3 trimesters to get your Master of Science degree. Here is the project examples for electrical power engineering. It can be something with renewable energy systems, HV insulation, condition monitoring, electric vehicle fast wireless charging, or protection and control of microgrids. So there is a lot of job opportunities emerging from getting the masters from Glasgow Caledonian University, like power stations, utility companies, oil and gas sector, renewable energy technologies, power electronics engineer, um, cables engineer, asset engineer, grid engineer, design, planning, aerospace, automotive sector. So the typical graduate starting salaries range from 20k to 35k, which is a very good salary in Scotland and UK, and almost more than average salary in UK. If you are studying the electrical and electronic program content, again, you will study 8 modules and in 2 trimesters, and the third trimester will be for the project to acquire your Master of Science. Project examples can be in renewable energy again, wearable systems, Internet of Things, communication, image processing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. You can work with robots, sensors, control systems, condition monitoring, job opportunities in mobile systems, interactive entertainment systems, robotic systems design, image processing, artificial intelligence, communications and networking, automotives, aerospace, oil and gas systems, renewable energy, instrumentation, and medical systems. We got the highest rates of employability from our students, about 95%, and the typical graduate starting salary, again from 20 to 35k, which is more than UK average. For our teaching methods, we are using lectures, laboratories, workshops, tutorials, projects. For assessment methods, it can be exam or coursework, or both exam and coursework, and laboratory reports. Also, for assessment, you can go through projects or presentations. In GCU, we got many support services for our students. So you can get uh, support from your academic advisor, from student support services. It's it's a whole service only for student support. You can get support from library and learning resources, or peer support and mentoring, where experienced students assist newer students with academic and social integration. You will get support from IT department if you got any disabilities or you got any accident while you are studying here and you suffer from disability for some period of time or something. It can be you can go for the disability support. And also we got a career services, and you will get from there a career advisory, and workshops are available to help you with your career planning, CV, resume writing, interview skills, and all these services are free for students. Also, if you need any help with visa, we got something called visa team. They are happy to help with any issues with your visa, to extend your visa. Any problem you will face, the first one to call is the visa team. Also, we got the student union, and student union, one of the biggest unions in Glasgow, and it provide opportunity for networking, social events, and involvement in clubs and societies. We will speak about this after 2 3 slides. Also, you got online learning platform. It's called GCU Learn. which offer online platforms where students can access courses, materials, submit assignments, and communicate with instructors and classmates. Also, we got student well-being services, and for this department, we get the University Mental Health Character Award because it's one of the best student well-being services in Glasgow. Uh, we get also counseling, learning development centers. They give you the learning development center will give you courses, ICT support, advice on study skills, and other academic support and guidance. Our career service, um, they here to assist and support you in managing your own career development and employability. And students and graduates, GCU Career supports students and graduates up to 2 years after graduation. We can help you with career planning, finding graduate jobs, getting work experience, the recruitment process, further study and research. Here is the Students Association. We got more than 100 sports clubs and societies. I encourage you to join uh, as much as you can from the societies and the clubs. This will increase your network and will give you a lot of fun time. So, what about accessibility of academic stuff? As I told you, we are using the open door strategy. So, you can visit any academic stuff at office hours. Also, we got small class sizes. It's a supportive environment, and you got a lot of communication channels and research and project supervision. So if the program includes research or project work as our program, students have the opportunity to work closely with academic staff as supervisors or mentors. You will get a personal tutor and inclusive and accessible policies. You will get a program leader like me. So if you face any problem, you can contact me by email or face to face at my office hours, and I will try my best to help you through your problem or give you the appropriate advice to help you. Also, you will get open access to program team stuff, and at any time you can arrange a meeting with our head of department if you got a problem which I can't solve. For accreditation, and accreditation is so important in UK, we got accreditation from IET, the Institute of Engineering and Technology, for post programs, the uh, the power engineering and electrical and electronic engineering master of science. Both are accredited from IET. So as electrical or electronics engineer, graduates can work as electrical engineers in many sectors, including power generation and distribution, renewable energy, electronics, telecommunications, and control systems. As a power systems engineer, control system engineer, renewable energy, telecommunication, research and development. You will also study professional project management. So you can also go to project management or consulting or academia and teaching if you want to proceed with your PhD. Again, the earning potential. So after the masters, I think the lowest I see here is 28K. Okay, and the maximum was 37 something, 37,000. Okay, which is يعني much higher than the UK average. So Glasgow Caledonian graduates among the highest paid in Scotland. This is by numbers. And the so this one is not here, not a slide here, but I will tell you something. So after 2 3 years with experience here in UK, you can reach to 50,000. After 5 6 years, you can go more than 70,000 with engineering jobs here in UK. So I want to tell you something. I used to be an international student here in Glasgow, and Glasgow, one of the best cities you can be an international student in. So the atmosphere here, I wouldn't say it's perfect, but the people here are so kind, and you wouldn't feel any racism or something like this. And the city itself try to help students as much, so you will find uh, reduced cost in transportation, all the museums, and you know the all the museums, parks are free. It's free for everyone, not only for the students, but it's a good thing because let's say you are in England, everything there with a lot of money to visit. But here, all the museums and parks are free, which is so good. So if you are coming with your family or you coming alone, you will find the city is very interesting. That's all for me. Thank you for being with us, and I am open to any question. Okay, so my question is concerning. Okay, so can you ask me, Yahya? Yahya Amir. Uh, I am happy to listen to your question. Okay, provides orientation. It's highly appreciated. My first question, could you please provide a percentage of the overall renewable energy related coursework? I think it's at least 40% of the coursework related to renewable energy. Okay. One of the previous graduates' most promising graduation projects. Okay, so I am not the program leader for power engineering. Okay, but I can speak to you with about the electronic ones. So I used to work with my students as a supervisor, not a program leader, um, for the Internet of Things projects. We build Internet of Things project for greenhouse. We monitored the greenhouse atmosphere, temperature, oxygen, humidity, all the vital uh, atmosphere conditions for the greenhouse. We can collect the information using uh, sensors. By using a microcontroller, we collect this data, upload to the cloud, and we can retrieve this information back using a mobile phone or a website. and it was a very successful project. Another project was this one from electrical power. I remember it because I used to be the examiner for the students. He worked through the a new, uh, you know, it was a project. By the way, this project they use it in Qatar during the World Football Cup. If you know this, it was about a solar system on the brakes. Okay, so they put it in the ground and it will collect solar energy. Okay, and it was used as brakes on the streets. Okay, this was one of the projects. Another project was using solar power from Windows, and we are the student used to examine how much energy we can get from Windows in different times and in different seasons. Okay, so I think these two projects are from electrical power engineers. Okay, so any other questions? Any questions? So if anyone want to ask any question, I am happy. Yeah, could you please describe sports scene, any tournaments or competitions being organized by GCU, or if yes, so this year, uh, so we already got a racing team with a racing car from GCU, and we compete in many competitions. We got a robot club, and this year we will start our first engagement with a rocket competition. So we got a rocket competition. Okay. And as you are asking about sports, so I can give you this. Starting from this year, the sports center are free for students. So it's very good opportunity to visit our sports center. It's very good one. Yeah, it's the gym here is very good one. Yeah, we got. I told you we got about 100 societies. So I am sure you will find a society which will attract you. Not one. I think more than one. Ah, for me, Rangers or Celtics. So I think Celtics. I like them more. I don't know why. I like their green badge. Okay, so don't worry. And at any time, you will find my email and in the website for in the university website. You can just drop me email, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. So any question come in your mind, I am happy to help you with. Any other questions? Thanks, Yahya, for your questions. It's very interesting ones, and I would say this is yeah. I hope we see you as soon as possible. Maybe next trimester. Okay. So the environment here in Glasgow Caledonian University is very, very helpful for students. and very interesting environment to join, learn, communicate, commute with your friends. And I think staff here is one of the best crew I ever see. Okay, Peter, can you just send me your certificate and I will tell you if it is okay or not? So just send me your certificate using my the email. Here is my email on the chat. This is my email. No, not this one. Solyman gcu.ac.uk and send. Okay, here is my email. Just send me your certificates and I will check and tell you. Any other questions? I will get back if anyone else send any question. Okay. I can't find any other questions. I think no more questions. That's all. Thanks everyone, and I hope to see you soon in the